Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So I finally did it. After dodging more appointments than a politician in scandal season, dentists, doctor's appointments, my wife's wild work schedule, I finally managed to escape the chaos and actually shoot with this bad boy. The Canon 24-105 L lens that I picked up from KEH. So this has been sitting on my shelf looking all professional, judging me silently while I rescheduled my entire life. But I finally got it out into the wild twice. Yeah, twice. But hey, quality over quantity, right? So what's the lowdown? Is this the holy grail of walk around lenses or just another chunky boy taking up space in your camera bag? So my first impressions were, this lens is sharp. It's not cut through diamonds with it sharp, but definitely a wow, I didn't expect that level of detail in my kid's shoelaces kind of sharp. The autofocus, ninja quiet. Like sneaks up on focus without even knocking. No sound, no drama, just boom, focused. So this is my first Canon L series lens. Now I'm not gonna lie, it feels premium. Like I paid more for this than my last car repair kind of premium, but worth it. The rings are smooth, snappy, and dare I say buttery? Yeah, buttery. It's got a bit of lens creep, but of course it does. It's a telephoto lens, they all do. It's like the lens equivalent of dad bod. Solid, dependable, and a little bit of sag. So did I film with it? No, because life. But I did snap some shots. Some basic ones due to having almost zero time to go out. But I got the results that I was looking for. This lens is for people that want versatility. Landscapes? Check. Portraits? You got it. Wildlife? Well, sure, as long as it's not a hummingbird on Red Bull. It's not a wildlife sniper, but it'll get the job done on bigger subjects. So what are the pros? Well, easy. Sharp images, fast silent autofocus, tank-like build, and smooth operation. The cons? Lens creep. That's it, that's the list. Unless I'm looking for a reason to complain about something, in which I could say the lens hood's not my favorite shade of black. For what I paid on KEH, this lens is 1000% worth it, because I didn't pay that much. It pairs beautifully with my Canon R7. There's zero compatibility issues using an adapter. The focal range, well, with the crop factor, it's basically a 38 to 168 millimeter, which is perfect for trails, city walks, or spontaneous bear encounters that I'm totally not hoping for on my summer photo trip. So yeah, this thing, solid, reliable, and fun to shoot with. Like that one friend who actually shows up when they say they will. This is coming with me on my next trip as one of my main 3 lenses. I actually bought it for that reason, and it's already proving to be worth the space in my bag. So, have you used a Canon 24-105mm L series lens? Love it? Hate it? Use it as a paperweight? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm always down to nerd out about glass. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell for future videos. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my Lightroom presets pack that features 13 presets that I designed to use on all my photo projects. And until the next one, get out and shoot, and I'll catch you in the next video.